Hello, beautiful cook. Cook along series from Veets Cuisine Cookbook. Have you bought the book yet? We're doing page 104. We're making an unusual dal. It's based on a Hare Krishna recipe that I had, minus the sugar. I just want to show you a quick tip. See, there's water in there. So if you don't want things like dal or beans to stick to your saucepan, even if you're putting oil in, just do a quick rinse with cold water. So we're not putting oil in this. We're just going to put the heat on. Now, I know in Hare Krishna recipes I'd put lots of oil in, but we're not. We're having an oil-free dal. And we've got 1 cup of Mung Dhal. So they're mung beans. They're split mung beans. And we've got 1 cup that was soaking overnight. So I'll just pop this out of the way. And then we're going to put in 3 cups of water. So in India, often dals are quite soupy, but in Australia we seem to have them less soupy. So it's up to you. You could put 4 cups in, but we're just going to go with 3 cups. And that's boiling water. And so you'll know why that helps get rid of the phytic acid. And there is another video on that, and I will put that link down below. I love doing that. Okay, so I'm just going to give that a quick stir and then get the spices in. And they're a little unusual. Mustard seed isn't unusual. Just the combination that's a bit unusual, which I like. And we're going to do a ½ teaspoon of mustard seed. Now you could temper the mustard seed, which means that you would fry them first in oil. That would give a bit more flavour, but we're just going for quickness here. And then we've got ½ teaspoon of fenugreek. Fenugreek is quite bitter. Actually, that was just a ¼ teaspoon of fenugreek. It's really good for the heart health. And then the recipe really has anise in it. And I can't find anise where I live, but I did see my friend had it in her spice box yesterday. But I'm going to use star anise, and all my star anise have broken up. So I'm putting equivalent of 1 star anise in. 3 bay leaves from the garden. 3/4 teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of turmeric. Voila! Give that a stir around. Turn it down to simmer, and let it do its thing for about 20 minutes, and that's your dal almost ready. So we'll just pop the lid on, and I'll see you in 20 minutes. Here it is, zoom in, Mr. Cameraman. And we've just got a few more things to add. So we're going to add in ½ cup of desiccated coconut or shredded coconut, and 2 tablespoons of sultanas. And then that's our very unusual and very delicious dal. So just give that a stir, and then we'll get Mr. Cameraman Mac to have a look at what it looks like now. He's zooming in for you. Enjoy making this yummy dal. If you don't like sultanas, don't add them. Bye. Hello, wonderful cook. I hope you enjoyed that recipe. I would love it if you wrote a comment. I love receiving comments, and I'll always reply. Also, please like and subscribe. And if you look below, there's a link to sign up for my free iron rich ebook and weekly recipes. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.